Alright guys, so today's video is not going to be so much of a cleaning, but I'm going to try to reorganize my pantry here. So I got all these containers off of Amazon and I will link them down below. These right here all came from TJ Maxx, and I think I still have the prices, $2.99. So I already had these filled up with things, but I think I'm going to change it out. I'm still going to use these. They're all not going to match, but this is pretty much what I can get at the moment. So I have a lot of different things that I'm working with. So I think I'm going to swap these out and put pastas in these, or honestly, I'm not sure, but we're gonna go ahead and get started because it's already a little late and I wanna go ahead and start this project. And then after this, I might go outside on the porch and work on another project. So this is just going to be a video of projects. There's not going to be any cleaning. I just want to get this pantry done. Let me just show you what it looks like, which y'all probably already seen before, but this is the mess. Every time I try to organize, it kind of gets all messed up, but those are not going to go there. So this is what we added, which this is not done either, but we ended up adding this little mini fridge. We bought it from Home Depot. It was very inexpensive. I think it was like $350, but this is where we're going to keep all the bubblies, but definitely not in these plastic things. My husband just kind of grabbed them and just put them in here, but this is definitely going to get organized a little better. I might add that in my video. And then my husband needs to put all this stuff back because he pulled this out and this out. He had to fix this ice maker, which totally did. And then what was I saying? Oh yes, he had to pull this out. So he has to go ahead and put all this stuff back on here and possibly elevate this. I'm not sure, but he's definitely not done here, but this is what it looks like right now. We're gonna go ahead and start this project here because I really want to go ahead and try to do something in this pantry. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today's video, as you can see, is not a cleaning video. I am organizing my pantry once again. I think this is like the third or fourth time. I did get some glass jars off of Amazon, the ones with the bamboo lids. The other ones I already had. As you can see, that one says rice, but I don't change the labels just yet. I wanted to see if this was going to work. So the next video, I might go in there and change out the labels and erase the chalk. That's all chalk. What do you call that? Chalk marker. It's like a little chalk marker, but I can erase it. And then I'll go ahead and put the correct names on there. I just didn't want to do that because I wasn't sure if that's, I was going to keep it this way. And also I was waiting on some vinyl for my Cricut. I ran out of black, and that's kind of what I want to use on these glass jars. I don't want to use the white just because I feel like, I don't know, you might not be able to see the lettering right. So I'm waiting on that as well. So my next video is probably going to be that. But yeah, and then I also go ahead and work on a DIY project, and I was going to work on two, but like I said, I don't have any vinyl, so I'm waiting on that to get here soon. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like it if you do, and let's go ahead and get into cleaning this pantry. All right, guys, let me show you what I have so far. We have these pecans, I think, or walnuts. I'm not sure what these are. My sugar, this is what I use, Swerve. Then the kids, chocolate chips, baking soda, sugar, almond flour. These are the pastas, but this is linguine, and then this is regular spaghetti. Here are the kids' shells, some penne, and then the tricolor ones, and then regular flour. Then I have my chia seeds and my hemp seeds. Then these are my chocolate chips. These are keto. And then in here, I think I'm going to probably swap that and put the brown sugar in here. Yeah, I think I'm going to swap it out of there. But this is all I have so far. So the labels. I think I'm going to leave these with the chalk. This little chalk stuff here, and then just clean it up and rewrite. But I think these, well, actually I'm not sure because these have like a texture to it, so I don't know if it's going to, if the Cricut, if I print it off my Cricut, if it's gonna stick. And I also swap these out. So I think what I'm gonna do is leave these, the ones that are like this with the chalk label, except maybe these two, because this doesn't have such a bad texture. And then these right here that look like this, I'm definitely going to use my Cricut, but I'm not going to do that today because I want to make sure that these are the containers you're going to stay in. And then I'll go ahead and make that into another video, but this is what I have so far. Now I'm going to stick this into the pantry and kind of see what I have and how it's going to look. So let's go ahead and do that.
to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You get can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
All right, now I just came out here, cleaned this down. I really don't even know what to do with this. I might stain it, but it seems really old, and I don't really know if the stain's going to penetrate this wood, but I think I'm gonna try to stain it first, and if not, go another way. But I think I want to put this in the front porch once I get it nice and clean and painted or stained and sealed, maybe in the front porch with some pillows or something. But let's see what I can turn this thing into. Alright guys, so here I am trying to stain this piece, and I was not liking the way it was turning out, so I went ahead and decided to paint it with this celery color. It's chalk paint, and I love how it turned out. It just does not match my decor out front, so I don't know where I'm going to stick this piece. My husband said he liked it, but he also thought that it didn't go very well with everything we had out there. I was just trying to get away from the grays and the whites and the antique look. That's like my go-to. I try to put a little bit of color, but I don't know, for some reason this was not looking good out in the front, but definitely this could go in the back, like our back porch, or maybe somewhere downstairs, like as maybe some sort of like a little side table, not a side table, but some sort of table, because sometimes we do go out there and we don't have anywhere to place things on, and maybe something decorative on, I don't know, like a pillow or just a few things that are decorative. I think it would match better downstairs, but my front porch has a lot of grays, and this just, I don't know, it didn't look okay. Maybe because the porch is not fully done or decorated, it just kind of looked off, but I did like the way it turned out. I just did not like it on my front porch. Alright guys, so here I am just kind of organizing from, I think it was my last video you saw me redo a little cubby on my porch, and the porch was such a mess. And here I went ahead and decided to get this nice and cleaned, and you guys, this porch was so nasty. And because my husband replaced the fan above, he had to open that up, and above our porch here is the attic. So when he opened that up, a lot of the insulation came down, and a lot of those little black rocks that are in the insulation, they were all over this floor, and I kept stepping all over them. So I went ahead and grabbed the shop vac and decided to go ahead and vacuum, and oh my gosh, the porch looks so much better. It's not completely done, but it looks way better, and I'm definitely needing to get a rug out here. I just don't know, I'm not sure yet what we want to do, because like I said, that glass table is going to go right after Thanksgiving. It's definitely going, either I'm selling it or it's going to the dump. I don't know. I just know that we want it gone, and we want to get like a porch, like a sectional type situation going on here. But I definitely need a rug out here to make this place look better. And then we might get rid of that 2-person sofa thing, and then the other chair, but not the one that swivels, because we just got that. We got that at Sam's Club for like $200. But that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, and if you are new, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.